Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year. Hope you all are doing safe out there. So, this is also one of my most requested videos on how to apply false eyelashes. So, I'll show you everything step by step. So, let's not waste any time and let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to take these lashes which I purchased from Miniso, and I'm going to pick up this lash here, and I'm going to pick this up and twist it so that it fits my eye properly. I'm roughly going to attach it to my lash line. You see this extra lash here, I'm going to cut it. Always remember to cut the extra part from the outer side, not the inner side. I'm going to twist it again and I'm going to place it on my lash line. You see there is a little bit extra more, so always do little at a time so that your lash doesn't get waste. I'm going to twist it. Next, let's talk about lash glue. So there are two types of lash glues. One is this white one and the other is the black one. White, you use it when you don't apply any eyeliner. I use this black lash glue when I apply eyeliner, so that all the glue, everything will be concealed in the eyeliner. I will now apply the glue to the lash band and I'm going to let it dry for 10 seconds. Do not apply immediately, just let it become tacky. And now I'm going to place this mirror exactly parallel to my chin so that I can look down, and I'm going to place my falsies closer to my natural lash line. But here I've applied wing liner, that's why I want that sort of lifted look, that's why I'm applying it here. But generally you apply it closer to your lash line. Then with the help of this lash applicator, I'm pressing my natural lashes and the fake lashes closer. Then with the help of this lash comb, I'm going to brush my natural lashes into the fake lashes. Like this, you don't get that separated sort of look. If you can see, everything is going to mix up, it's going to come together and you will get that natural lash look. Next, I'm going to apply a coat of mascara and that's it. So this is the technique I always use. I hope I was able to show you something out of this, and thanks a lot. Keep supporting me. Do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I would love to read your comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.